I'm Sammy. Welcome to the Gig House Kitchen, let's mix. Spring is in the air, so to celebrate, I'm going to show you how to make a sweet and fruity raspberry daiquiri. So let's get mixing. So a daiquiri, not a daiquiri as many like to call it, is a classic summer drink. It's very simple to make, but it's very, very refreshing and delicious. A usual daiquiri is just rum, lime and sugar. Many think that a daiquiri is supposed to be frozen and blended, so it's kind of like a slushy, but that is more of a modern kind of holiday in Barbados kind of interpretation, so I'm going to go with the classic. However, I am going to tart mine up a little bit with raspberries because I just think they are divine in a daiquiri. So, to make this daiquiri, we're going to get my Boston glass, as always, and to this I'm going to add 2 shots of white rum. You can make daiquiris with any kind of rum, but they often detract from the flavour. So I prefer to go for a plainer rum. You can also go for overproof rum, which makes a nuclear daiquiri, which are delicious, but deadly. So you have been forewarned. Next, I'm going to add a shot of lime, and then half a shot of Syrop du Gomme. And obviously you can adapt this to your palate. So if you prefer it sweeter, you can add more sugar. If you prefer it, tartar, you can add less or no sugar, really, depending on how sour you like it. To this, I'm now going to add my raspberries. Bloop. And I'm actually going to keep one for garnish later on. So put those to the side. And as always, this is a shaken cocktail, so I'm going to throw in my ice. I'm going to give this a very long, hard shake. That beautiful red colour. So I'm just going to prepare my glass, and now I'm going to decant it. Unfortunately, I have misplaced my tea strainer, so we'll be breaking out a very big sieve. Now this is likely to strain quite slowly because you've got all of the raspberry pulp in there. So if you find that you're struggling to get it through your gigantic sieve, just use a spoon or a bar spoon or your finger really if you really want. But I'm not sure people you're making them for will appreciate that. Okay, so now we've got our delicious frothy raspberry daiquiri. I'm just going to finish it off with another raspberry. And you can just kind of plonk it in the middle if you really want, but I'm going to go retro and I'm going to put it on the edge. So there you have it, a delicious, fruity, summery raspberry daiquiri. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button and leave a comment if you want to see any drinks made on this channel. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye.